Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading, and I just wanted to give you a quick update here on the diamonds. So today did seem like a really big pullback, but in the grand scheme of things, if you look at all the other pullbacks in the past that really were big pullbacks, this really is not that big of a pullback, just more feeling more like a correction at this moment. But of course, we're going to have to wait and see what happens, because we are still above the 200, which is that pink dotted line. We are above the 50, which is the green line, and the 5 and the 13 are still on a buy. So we are still looking for bullish setups here, and the next setup zone that I have for you is a nice cluster of support here coming in 348.68 to 349.84. Okay, that's what I have for you right now in the diamonds. I want you to please be sure to wait for triggers, and then of course that next zone I have for you, 346.68 to 347.51, if we do bust this zone of support, and so forth, so on down. I hope everyone is having an awesome week so far. I know I am. And I hope you will come to join us in the Fibonacci room at Simpler if you are not in the room at this time. Hope everybody has a great rest of the day, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me